The 12 cranial nerves, the special nerves that emerge directly from our brain rather than in the spinal cord. Each one has a unique function, and together they control much of our head and neck. Let's go through them in order from cranial nerve 1 all the way to 12. The cranial nerve 1, the olfactory nerve, is responsible for our sense of smell. It carries signals right from our nose straight into the brain's olfactory bulb. The optic nerve is all about vision. It transmits light information from the retina and the eye to the brain, allowing us to see. The cranial nerve controls most of the eye's movements, including raising eyelids, moving up and down, inward, and adjusting the pupil for focusing. The next cranial nerve, the trochlear nerve, controls the superior oblique muscle, which moves the eye downward and inward, like when you look at your nose. The trigeminal nerve has both sensory and motor functions. Sensory, it provides feeling to the face, including the forehead and the cheeks and the jaw. Motor, it controls the mastification, which allows us to chew. The abductions nerve controls the lateral rectus muscle, which moves the eye outward away from the nose. The facial nerve has multiple roles. It controls the facial expression, smiling, frowning, raising the eyebrows. It carries taste sensations from 2/3 of the tongue. It also contributes to saliva and tear production. The vestibular cochlear nerve handles two key senses. The cochlear branch carries signals for hearing. The vestibular branch carries signals for balance and spatial orientation. The glossopharyngeal nerve also has mixed functions. It carries taste from back 1/3 of the tongue. It provides sensation from the throat and contributes to swallowing. It also helps regulate blood pressure through receptors in the choroid sinus. The vagus nerve is one of the most important cranial nerves. It controls muscles of the throat and larynx, affecting speech and swallowing. It carries sensory information from the chest and abdomen. It regulates parasympathetic functions like slowing the heart rate and aiding digestion. The accessory nerve powers the sternocleidomastoid and the trapezius muscles. This allows head rotation, shoulder shrugging, maintaining posture in the upper back and neck. The hypoglossal nerve controls the muscles of the tongue, allowing us to move it for speech, swallowing, and manipulating food. Together, these 12 cranial nerves handle many of the essential functions to make life possible, from seeing, hearing, to eating, speaking, breathing, and regulating heart.